Hey everybody, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and I've been around heat presses for over 20 years here in southwestern Pennsylvania, where we manufacture our world-leading Hotronix line of heat presses. And so I just wanted to take this video to walk you through the line of professional grade Hotronix presses, kind of take you through a ladder of the differences on where you can think about starting to invest in a Stahls quality heat press. And then where it goes from there all the way up to the highest end press we have. And so let's start right with the Stahls Max press. I love this press because it's a great entry-level price point for a great quality. It is a clamshell press, which means it closes and opens just like a clam. There are some benefits to that where it's only 2 steps to operate the press. You lock it down. When the time expires, you open it up. Has a nice wide opening, so it's easier to load a garment. And with our Max press, it's compatible with our caddy stand or our counter caddy stand, which makes it a cantilever design, which means you can split and load your t-shirt on and place your graphic at the widest part of the heat press, keeping you away from one of the downfalls of a lot of clamshells is you're operating like under the heat and worried about burning your hands. And so the Max press is a quality press. It comes with a good warranty, not our Hotronix warranty, that's where we're going next, but you can trust this press that it's going to have accurate time and temperature, and it does have the over center pressure adjustments. You can adjust the pressure to light, medium, heavy, anything in between there. It's very quick, very easy to operate. And so Stahls Max press, great machine, comes in 3 sizes. That's where we start within the Stahls line of heat presses for a professional grade as I see it. Then we take the jump to one of our most popular presses, which is the Hotronix Auto Open Clam. So a little different than the Max, you go into our Silver series, which is the Hotronix series, and all of these presses share industry best leading warranty and industry best build. And what's different about the Auto Clam is right in the name. It's still a clamshell, just like the Max, but it only takes 1 step. You just lock it down and it automatically opens when the time expires. So that's a big difference and a big advantage when you're multitasking in your business, or you just don't want to have to worry about opening it up and having the extra wear and tear on your arms and shoulders. It's a big benefit. But not only that, it adds one more element that's measured digitally. Okay, so the Max measured time and temperature digitally. The Hotronix Auto Open Clam does that, but it also measures pressure digitally on this digital display. And so you're not guessing, does this feel like a light, a medium, or a firm pressure? But here's a number scale from 0 to 9 that indicates light, medium, firm pressure. And what you need to know is if this is your first heat press, I always like to say the heat press is your oven. The transfer that you've ordered is your frozen pizza. Just like you pick it up in the supermarket, you follow the instructions on the box. And so that transfer box or spec sheet is going to tell you, here's what to set your oven, your heat press for, time, temperature, and pressure. And we can get to the digit accuracy on all 3 key elements that create a highly durable heat transfer right on the Auto Clam. Just like the Max, you can load it onto a freestanding caddy stand or a counter stand, depending on your space configuration, to have that cantilever design. So people love this. People usually go up a little bit in price to get the Auto Clam over the Max because they want that digital pressure, they want that auto open, they want that better warranty, and that's the place you can go across all 3 sizes sold in the Max. You can get the Auto Clam. The medium size is a little bit larger. It's a 16 by 16 on the Auto Clam, but I always recommend if your budget can afford it, go to the best machine you can afford along this ladder in a 16 by 20. That's going to allow you to do full prints, see more of the shirt for your layout. It's just a good choice, trust me on that. 16 by 20, everybody that's experienced will recommend that, unless you're looking for some special use little portable press that you want to operate, and then different story. Next, after the Auto Clam, we go to one of my favorite presses because it offers some advanced features right out of the box. That's our Hotronix Fusion IQ. And so the Fusion IQ right out of the box comes with that cantilever design, no extra stands or counter stands required. We can just split and load our garment. Not only that, this is not a clamshell press. It can operate as a swing away press, which gives you complete and total access to the layout area without heat anywhere around you, or it can operate as a draw press. And that draw is particularly beneficial if you're operating in a tight environment, whether that's a retail environment, a garage, spare bedroom, or just part of your shop. Don't have the space to swing the head away. You can lock in the swing away head, use it as a drawer. Now, all of these presses offer a Hotronix benefit, which is quick change platens. But when you look at the Auto Clam and the Max, they have a little bit of a footwork on the machine to deal with, so you can't quite get to the really tight application zones. Whereas when we look at the threadable area, where we're going to split and load our item on the Hotronix Fusion and above, which is where we're going, it's a really tight area. So I can hit some small pouches on bags, I can do pant legs, I can do sleeves. You can do all of those things with pillows and special attachments on the other presses, but this one just makes it quicker, easier, more convenient to do those applications. Now, just like the auto open clam, anytime you see the silver color, it's going to measure time, temperature, and pressure. So the Fusion does have the digital pressure right on the touchscreen IQ control board. And that makes this press way different than the other two machines we just reviewed, as it has that touchscreen control board that can not only connect to the cloud to measure your production analytics, but it also allows you to pre-program your settings. So you can put those settings that were on the pizza box or on your transfer box, program right into the machine, so you don't have to reference them every time. You just go right into the touchscreen, just like you navigate to a contact on your iPhone. You select that setting, it will tell you right on the smart bar, it's heating up, it's cooling down. Now it's ready to press, and I can have confidence that no matter who walks up to the machine, they can go right to the setting that's needed. The machine will tell them when it's ready to press. So many features in the touchscreen control board. You can actually program this thing to turn on in the morning, turn off at night by day of the week. You can program a sleep mode if you accidentally leave it on. You can program different user profiles. You can measure production analytics by users. Like, it just goes on and on. This is, in my opinion, a well worth it jump from the Auto Clam. The only trade-off is that it doesn't auto open, and so you have more functional steps to operate the machine, whether that's drawing or swinging away the press, manually locking the press down, and manually opening the press. So it is a little more wear and tear on the arm, but if you're not super high production, the convenience of this machine, it kind of raises the bar, in my opinion. There's so many bells and whistles that make it worth the extra investment. Okay, and so you might be like, oh, I like everything about the Fusion, but the Auto Clam is going to be less wear and tear, a little bit quicker. Well, that's where we go to the next sort of jump here, and that's in our Air Fusion IQ. So the Air Fusion IQ comes either in a tabletop model or a freestanding model. It comes built in to the stand, and so out of the box, it's still that cantilever design that we had in the Fusion. Still has all of the same small loading area, all of the quick change platens, all of the control board, but the big difference between the Fusion and the Air model Fusion is that you don't see any handles on this machine, right? You don't see a pressure adjustment knob because it's air pressure. So the pressure can be adjusted right through the touchscreen control. That makes it so convenient for you, where you're not having to toggle the pressure back and forth for different thicknesses of items or different attachments that you load. If you program the pressure in pounds, which is 40 PSI, it's just going to apply that 40 PSI or 50 PSI or whatever you set straight to the product that it meets. That's a ton of convenience, a ton of accuracy, and is going to save you time. Now, not only is there not a pressure knob because it's adjusted through the touchscreen control, but there is not a handle to maneuver to open the press. And so it's 2-button operation. It automatically locks down when you press the 2 buttons together to make sure your hands are free of the pressing zone. And it also automatically opens when the pressing has completed, and it automatically swings away to reveal your pressed item or your layout area. The only thing you have to do is click the foot pedal to return the press back to the over the center position to complete your next application. And so if you loved everything about the Fusion, but you're like, oh, I don't want the wear and tear on my arm, I don't want to be adjusting the pressure back and forth, that Air Fusion, great investment. And look, the reality is heat presses are capable of so much. You're going to get the return on these investments in the future of the machine life if you're serious about the business. Okay, one more step up, and that is, of course, my favorite press because it has the most features. And so if your budget can't afford it and you don't have to be a big business, I do recommend the Hotronix Dual Air Fusion Pro Place IQ. And so the Dual Air Fusion Pro Place IQ has all of the same functionality as the Air Fusion that we just reviewed as it relates to platens and change out and pressure and foot pedal operation. The difference here is we see a couple new things. We see 2 base platens, which means while the press is busy pressing one zone, the same operator can step to the side and load the second zone. And so it saves you a lot of time and speeds up your production. And so I always say if you're a large shop, you're going to get more products out quickly. If you're a small shop, you're going to get that job done quicker so you can move on and do other things. Has the same ergonomics and convenience of loading and operating that machine at chest height with 2 buttons, but we get 2 bases. One more thing that we get on the Dual Air Fusion ProPlace IQ that is noteworthy is the projection alignment. And so with this machine, it has 2 projectors that come built in that can actually project the image or crosshairs or a grid to help you with placement and layout. And this is a big deal. It'll help you keep up with the machine, be more confident in your own placement, but also easily train operators to run the machine with confidence where you're not worried that they're going to ruin garments. And when we talk about these IQ machines, they do come with software called the IQ Cloud that not only will track the production analytics that we talked about earlier, but also will manage the projection on this machine. And so you can send wirelessly to the device from the IQ Cloud from your laptop, your tablet, or your phone, or you can plug in with an HDMI cable and keep a computer right next to your projector, and so it just mirrors the image like a monitor would, or extends the image like a monitor would. So you get software to be able to bring in your graphic, project it exactly where you want it, and so now it's easy to line up a left chest logo that otherwise may have taken you time with a ruler, with some jigs, with some manual steps. And so that is the full range of the core Hotronix heat presses. When you look at the Dual Air Fusion and the Air Fusion and the Fusion, they only come in 16x20s. When you look at the clamshell styles, whether that's the auto open clam or the Max, you can get a medium size and even a smaller size and an 11x15 inch. So lots of choices within the range. I'm confident we have a machine for every operator, for every business model. And the best thing is you're investing in Hotronix, which means made in the USA, best warranty in the industry, and the best support behind you from Stahls. So good luck on your new heat press investment. Feel free to call us at 1-800-4STAHLS. We still have live customer service people that are trained and been with us just like me for decades that can help you get the right machine for your business. Or if you know the right machine right now, just head on over to Stahls.com, select the package you like and check out. Thanks for watching.